The melting point of zinc is A 1495 C, B 1445 C, C 787.1 C, D 787.1 F. The correct answer is 787.1 F. Zinc is in color A black, B yellow, C bluish-silver, D red. The correct answer is bluish-silver. Pure zinc in metallic form was discovered by a chemist. A Persian, B Indian, C American, D German. The correct answer is German. Which of the following are ores of zinc? A cobaltite, B erythrite, C marmatite, D litharge. The correct answer is marmatite. Zinc is an element that is being used fairly recently. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false.